Fact 5 presents.
Number 5. Prescription drugs may cause diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is caused when your body either does not make enough insulin or can't effectively use all the insulin it makes. The result is a buildup of glucose, or sugar, in the bloodstream, which starts damaging nerves and blood vessels over time. It turns out that some of the most commonly prescribed drugs, like antidepressants, might be causing it. In 2011, there were 46.7 million prescriptions given out to treat depression in the UK alone, and researchers at the University of Southampton looked at the numbers and found that people who took two of the most common types of antidepressants, SSRIs and tricyclic antidepressants, were twice as likely to develop diabetes. Number 4. Vaccines failing. It actually turns out that vaccines can actually strengthen viruses. They can stimulate mutations in the viruses they fight. China found that out in the worst possible way when their hepatitis B vaccines caused the virus to begin mutating twice as fast as it normally would. We've been seeing the same thing happen with the flu virus. Vaccines basically just fuel the virus's instinct to survive. Number 3. Doctors get paid when you buy certain drugs. Harvard Law School took a close look and realized that they didn't have to dig very deep at all to discover that doctors are paid handsomely to prescribe certain drugs, even when those drugs turn out to be harmful. One of the most publicized recent cases was Dr. Joseph L. Adama, who began diagnosing 2-year-old toddlers with bipolar disorder and prescribing strong antipsychotics that were never approved by the FDA for children under 10. The manufacturer of the antipsychotics paid him $1.6 million. Number 2. Some medication can increase the risk of cancer. Blood pressure medications can almost triple your risk of aggressive breast cancer. In the United States alone, about 58.6 million people take medication for high blood pressure, so you'd think the cancer link would be more well known. The study that discovered this relationship looked at 1,763 women with breast cancer. Those who used a particular type of blood pressure medicine, calcium channel blockers, were 2.5 times more likely to develop cancer. The risk is greater in elderly women over the age of 55, and it likely happens because calcium channel blockers prevent cells from dying. If cells can't complete their normal life cycle, they go rogue and become cancerous. Number 1. Registered sex offenders and violent criminals as doctors. In November 2013, the UK's General Medical Council, or GMC, released a database with the criminal histories of physicians in the United Kingdom. It turned out that almost 800 practicing doctors held criminal records, including 31 who were arrested for assault and 330 arrested for drunk driving. Crimes range from theft to drug trafficking, and they are under zero legal obligation to let their patients know about it.